Hi everybody, how are you? Well, I'm testing again and I want to read some feedback. Please let me know if this live stream is doing okay. I am making this a little test because I'm preparing for tomorrow. So yesterday I did a test through my own profile, but right now I'm testing through Earth Celebration post, a celebration page. So I hope this is good setup. I received some comment from yesterday's testing, and some of my friends, actually she was a volunteer in Air Celebration when we were working in a Lower East Side for the gardens. So long time ago. She wrote me a message and suggested make the face closer to the camera. Probably next week I will be better with setting up and get a good position from the camera, maybe from the top, but right now is the best I can make it. Well, a brief and short information about what I'm going to do tomorrow is this is Earth Celebration Station in Long Beach. I'm going to work in this piece. This piece is called carbon sequestration. I can show here. This is the design I made for this character, carbon sequestration. So you can see different design on the face, and just to you get an idea, this design is a problem with the light here too, but we are going to, in the future, we are going to design different elements that show us what are these elements getting carbon, saving carbon, has an storage. And these are plants, soil, coastal wetland, mangroves, and sea grass. Yeah, so this is a brief information about what we are going to get in the final part of the process. But tomorrow we are going to make a paper mache technique, different layers, and probably I will show another aspect of this process. But please give me a feedback and tell me if this is right for tomorrow from 12 to 1. So please, everybody, enjoy this workshop with me. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.